They usually, oh my gosh, I'm so hot, y'all. It is so hot. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today is a Trendsend day. And this is one of my favorite boxes, usually. Trendsend sends you several pieces. They send you more than Stitch Fix. They generally curate 5 or 6 looks for you in the box. Always the return mailer. And then here is just, okay, 2 bundles. Here's my first bundle, which has some, looks like white and black pants and then a colorful top. That's number 1 bundle, and number 2, okay, has the same top. So maybe this is a skirt and a top, and some denim. So, okay, somebody say Summer. Okay, I have a new stylist and his name is Hunter. Or maybe it's a girl, Hunter. But got 2, 3, just 3 different outfits. Okay, well, forget what I just said. We'll see what I have, but they usually, oh my gosh, I'm so hot, y'all. It is so hot. Okay. Okay, back to clothes. All right. Let's see what I got. Okay, first we have, this is the Olivia Paisley V-neck tank by Evereve, and that's pretty cute. I like the colors. It's a little fall-y color-wise, but it's got it's got purples and cream and red and a pretty orange. Okay, there's that. And then, is this Good American? I hope they sized me up. Okay, these are the Good American Good Legs Cigarette Raw Hem by Good American. And I like the wash on them. These are cute. These are really cute. Oh, they're probably gonna be small. Maybe not. But there's the hem. No, just a little bit of this kind of distressing on there. But those are cute. And then this is going to be, oh, I'm really lost. I don't know what this is. What could this be? This looks like a tank. Okay, by Norma Kamali. Tank. What's going on here? Oh my god. Oh. One-shouldered tank. Okay, that's why I couldn't figure this out. Right? Bear with me, y'all. Yep. This is a... We'll see when we get it on. I'm a little confused. Here are my first 2 outfits. The paisley with the jeans and the white off-shoulder with the jeans. So let me go try those on and I will be right back. And I'll get myself together. Okay, we're gonna have to take it a little bit out of order because I keep telling these people, Trendsend, all of them, that I need to size up on jeans and pants. And most jeans and, well, all jeans, most pants. Couldn't get these zipped, so we're just gonna go in a different direction. You're just gonna have to use your imagination. I do think these are very, very cute. I'm not sure that I want to pay $104, which I guess I should tell you the price. The price is originally $130, they're $104. And if somebody used my code out there, thank you very much. But $104. don't think I'll keep them. I don't really need jeans. All right, so let me show you. Woo! Let me back up and show you this dress. Or it's not a dress, it's the skirt and the top. I think it's cute. I like the pattern. The skirt does have pockets. The top, the Olivia V-neck tank top, $78. My price $62.40. And the skirt, $88. My price $70.40. I think this is cute. It is not flattering on me. This does have, the skirt has the stretch waist, and then of course the top has the stretch band. It also has two pockets, if I can find them. Two pockets. Here's the back. What I don't love is it's a little too voluminous. This does not do, when I have this kind of thing going on, it doesn't do a thing for me. If this were a little bit fitted, it might tempt me, but it doesn't. But I think this is cute. I do like the pattern, and I do think the concept is really cute. And it does have, I don't know if I showed you, but the skirt is, it has a ruffled layer, a big ruffled layer down at the bottom, so really cute. Now on to the next top that I'll put on with this skirt, because the only other bottoms that I have are the pants, so I'll be right back. Okay, for my next group, we are going to, this is the Adelaide Seamless Cami by Z Supply in black. Okay, that's cute. It's very stretchy. I like the neckline. I would only wear this under something, but they have paired it with the skirt that goes with the top, and so they've paired this with this, and this is the Olivia Paisley skirt by Evereve, and then last we have the Amelia denim jacket by Cut From The Cloth in Optic White. And very cute. Love me a jean jacket. So they put, this is one outfit. So let me go try this on for you, and I will be right back. Okay, everybody. This they had also with the jeans, which I couldn't get on, but this is the black V-neck, the Adelaide Seamless Cami by Z Supply. $38, my price $34. This is so not me. Let me show you the cami, like one side of the cami. This is just way more cleavage than I would ever. That is just not me. That's okay. If it's you, that's fine. It is just not me. So I would never wear this. It does have a built-in shelf bra. So it's very comfortable, but it is not for me. The jacket is the Amelia denim jacket cut from the cloth, $94, my price $75.20. So I think it's cute. I like cut from the cloth, and I like a denim jacket, but we're getting a very abbreviated try on with not being able to try the pants on. But anyway, I've got one more top to show you, and I hope I can show it to you. I will be right back. This I just tried on with, these are joggers I got in a recent box, I think maybe Wannable, I'm not really sure. I love them. But this is the drop shoulder top by Norma Kamali, white, $85, my price $68. It's okay. It kind of gathers right here. I don't know if that's supposed to like kind of be like that or not. It hits me really high up here, so that feels not super comfortable. But I don't know, I'll have to watch it back and see. But I don't love it, and it's 60, what did I say, 60 something dollars. But let me do a really quick wrap up. I think in theory, these are really cute. Not for me. I didn't like the fit on the top, and really didn't like the skirt on me either. Nothing wrong with this denim jacket. I've got blue, pink, two denim, two blues, a pink, and a black. And don't really need a white right now. Someday, but not right now. This, probably if I were gonna keep this, just because it's $30 and I don't want to lose my styling fee, but I would definitely size it up. It was just too tight. And then these, I'm super disappointed, although I don't want to spend $100 on a pair of jeans that I don't really need either. So this might be good that this honestly was probably the most disappointing Trendsend box I've ever gotten, really. So I will watch it back and see if anything looks different like this, or if I might think that I might get this if it was a little larger, then it wouldn't push me all so up and out and over and around. So I'll see, think on that. But this is, right now, I am thinking that I will send everything back and for the first time lose my styling fee with Trendsend. So, boo. I'm gonna put an all caps note, no more size 4s. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate all of you. Thanks again. We will see you next time. Bye, y'all.